Today's 2 Minutes of Science is all about the humble toaster. To better understand the toaster, we're going to look at what kind of temperature there is inside the toaster using this temperature probe. What the temperature probe senses will be read out on this device over here, which shows us what the temperature is in degrees Celsius. To understand how the temperature relates to power consumption, we're going to take a look at this meter here, which measures the power consumption in watts. When the toaster is off or not toasting, of course, then the power utilization is 0. There is, of course, some residual heat, so it takes a little bit of time to cool down, which is why you don't touch the toaster until after it's had a chance to cool down, because you can still burn your fingers pretty good. 160 degrees Fahrenheit is well within the range to burn you. When the toaster is operational, it's using about 73 watts of power. Now that's obviously less than a 100-watt light bulb, but more than a 60-watt light bulb, which is a common kind. So you can tell pretty much about how much power it's using based on that. The power utilization is constant as long as the toaster is on. So the way it controls how much darkness the toast eventually has, how long it's cooked, is dependent upon another factor. That's the actual time it's in there. And of course it takes a while for the toaster to warm up, so there's a minimum amount of time to expect to get your toast, and then add to it however much time you need to get the darkness or the crispiness of the toast that you desire. And that's pretty much the simple toaster, and as you'll see, the end result of the toaster is to eject the toast. Now, some of them have a little bit more power in the ejection than others, as we'll see shortly.